This is for Royal Enfield 350, the BS4 version. We are showing you how to install FlashX. So initially, the first thing you'll have to do is you'll have to remove the seat, unlock the bolts on the seat. Make sure the ignition is off. Locate the connector under the front seat. So you can find one black connector here, male and female socket. Just open the connector first. So this is the connector which you will have to spot. So this is a 5-pin connector. Okay, so then take the FlashX harness which comes with the box. Locate the connector, and the relevant couplers have to be plugged in. So this directly fits on your bike. So now the connectors have been connected. Now the 14-pin connector on the module and the 14-pin connector on the harness has to be connected. So that's it. That's the installation part. Now we will explain you about the activation of the flasher. Turn on the key first. Turn on the kill switch. Turn on the kill switch. Turn on the parking light. So once the parking light is on, there will be an initial boot. So I'm showing it to you again. Once the parking light is on, there is a supply to the module, so there is an initial boot which makes sure the module is working fine. Make sure your bike's battery is very good. You might face some problems if the bike battery is low. So to activate the flasher, you'll have to do this combination: right, left, right, center. So now the unit is activated. You can see the LEDs on the module, as well as you can see the indicators coming. All 4 indicators are on. Now to change pattern, you'll have to do left and center. See, now again the pattern is changed. Again I'll show you. To change the pattern, you'll have to make left, center. See, again the pattern has been changed. So I'll do it again. Left, center. So totally there are 60 patterns. You can toggle through all 60 patterns like this. And to deactivate the flasher, you will have to go right, center. So now you can see the flasher is deactivated. No LEDs are blinking on the module, nor the indicators are on. No, all the 4 indicators are not on now. So this is the simple step how you'll have to install a flasher on a Royal Enfield Classic 350. And so this is the installation, small installation raw video what we are making. Thank you everyone.